Hello, second grade. This is your math for Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. You will need your lesson 4.6. You will need a whiteboard, a marker, and a pencil. Be sure you have all those supplies ready to go. If you need to press pause on the video and gather your supplies, then press play when you're ready to begin. All right, please put your lesson off to the side, second grade, and your pencil. And we're going to do some activities on our board today. We're going to be putting numbers in order. I will list 3 numbers, and I want you to write them in order from least to greatest. The numbers are 37, 21, 69. Let's put them in order from least to greatest. First of all, let's look at our tens place. We always look to the tens place first. What number is the smallest? 2. So 21 would be the smallest. Then what number is smallest after that? 3 or 6? 3 is, so I'll know 37. And then 6 in 69. Now I've put my numbers in order. Let's erase and let's get a little bit harder. Let's try 44, 39, 42. The numbers are getting a little bit closer together, aren't they? Let's always look at our tens place first. We have a 4, 3, and a 4. We're going from least to greatest. What number is the smallest? 3, so 39 goes first. Good. Now I look to the next numbers, 42 and 44. They both have a 4 in the tens place. If my tens place is the same, then I would go to my ones place. Out of those two, 4 or 2, what is the smallest? 2 is, so 42 would come next. And then 44. All right, good job. Let's try another one. Be writing along with me. Don't let that marker sit. Let's get a little bit harder. 121, 300, 264. Let's write these in order from least to greatest. Let's look at the hundreds place first. What number is the least? The 1, so we know 121 goes first. 3 or 2, which is least? 2, so I know 264 comes next. And the last one, 300. Now my numbers are in order from least to greatest. Let's read them. 121, 264, 300. All right, let's get a little bit harder. Write these 3 numbers with me. 750, 741, 766. All right, let's look to the hundreds place first. My numbers are all the same in the hundreds place, so that doesn't help me, does it? If they're all the same, then I'm going to go to my tens place. Now, which number is least? The 4. So let's write 741 first. Now, which number is least? 5 or 6? The 5. So I'll write 750, and my largest number is 766. Now my numbers are in order from least to greatest. Please read them with me. 741, 750, 766. I have one more I'd like to do with you. Here we go. 282, 285, 280. Let's look at the hundreds place first. When we put these in order from least to greatest, does that help me? It does not. They're all the same. Then I'll move on to my tens place. Does that help me? No, they're all the same. So then I would look to my ones place. Which number is least? 280, because the 0 is the smallest. Let's write 280. Which number is least, 2 or 5? 2, so 282. And my last number, 285. Good. Let's read our three numbers together. 280, 282, 285. Good job, second grade. Now that we've warmed ourselves up, let's go ahead and get our lesson out for the day. Get your pencil, name on your paper, first thing. (12-8-20). All right, let's read it together, please. Two-digit addition. Essential question. How do you record the steps when adding two-digit numbers? Remember your lesson from yesterday. We have a step 1 and a step 2 and a step 3. Draw quick pictures to model each problem. Here we go. Listen carefully. The animal shelter has 35 dogs and 47 cats for adoption. How many pets are at the shelter? Here we go. Let's model 35 and 47. 35 has 3 tens and 5 ones. 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones. Remember, keep your drawings neat and clean. When we're adding those numbers, can we regroup? Can we make a 10? We sure can. We just need 1, 2, 3 more, don't we? Let's take these 3 and move them down to make another rod. Once we've made that 10, we need to move it over, don't we? Okay, here we go. How many ones do I have left? 2. Let's count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 82. Essentially, this is what I did. 7 plus 5 equals 12, so I put a 1 up here and a 2 down here for 12. I carried that 1 up high, dropped the 2 down below. Then I did 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. 35 plus 47 equals 82. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to finish the model. Press play when you're ready to go on. Here we go. After a pet fair, there are only 18 dogs and 21 cats at the shelter. How many pets are at the shelter now? Well, let's go for it. 18 dogs plus 21 cats. Let's draw the model for 18. 1 10 and 8 ones. 21 is modeled with 2 10s and 1 1. Can I make a 10? I can't, can I? I need 2 more here, and I only have 1 more there. So what is 8 plus 1? 9. What is 1 plus 2? 3. 18 plus 21 equals 39. Well, let's flip it like a pancake. This looks really familiar from yesterday, doesn't it? It sure does. Let's do it, friends. Model and draw. Add 59 and 24. Add the ones. Regroup. 13 ones is the same as 1 10 and 3 ones. And then add the 10s. Here we go. 59 plus 24. 59 plus 24. Can I regroup? I sure can. I only need 1 more up there. So here I am borrowing that 1 to make a 10. And then I move that rod over, don't I? Once I do that, I need to add that 10 to the top also. How many do I have left over? I have 3 left over. Now I do my adding. What's 5 plus 2? 7 plus 1 more? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many ones do I have left? The 3. Basically, boys and girls, I did 9 plus 4 equals 13. So I put the 1 here and the 3 down below for 13. Then I added the tens column. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8, 83. All right, here we go. Regroup if you need to, write the sum. 42 plus 29. What's 9 plus 2? 11. A 1 and a 1. Now let's add the tens column. What's 4 plus 2? Plus 1 more? You're right, 7. 42 plus 29 equals 71. Number 2, read it with me, please. 31 plus 14. 1 plus 4 equals what? 5. 5 is a single digit, so I don't have to regroup. Nope. What's 3 plus 1? 4. 31 plus 14 equals 45. Let's move on. Number 3. 27 plus 45. What is 7 plus 5? It is 12. Let's bring the 1 up above and the 2 down below for 12. What is 4 plus 2? It is 6 plus 1 more. 7, good. 27 plus 45 equals 72. Did I have to regroup? I did, didn't I? Let's move on. Regroup if you need to, write the sum. Boys and girls, I'd like you to do 4 through 12 on your own today. You do not have to do the hot problems down below, 13, 14, or 15, unless you want an extra challenge. You do not need to do 16 or 17 at the top, unless you want an extra challenge. It is optional. Please do number 18 at the bottom. Good luck. I know you can do it. Don't forget to regroup when you need to. All right. Bye-bye, friends.